Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Everybody, welcome to Prof Camel channel. And today we will play a game, okay? We are gonna learn some letters. We will see how can we read and write them. We will see them in different words, but the surprise today, all the words I will show, or most of them, don't have any meaning, okay? I will see you how. So please check my previous videos because it will help you a lot to see and study this video. So today we will see this letter, okay? The sound of it is Z, Z, okay? Z. Z in the beginning of the word, Z in the middle or in the end of the word. Okay, so let's see. We have already studied before J. Sorry, I will use another color. Okay, so we have already studied in the previous videos J and T. I will make now some words don't have any meaning, okay, using the three letters J, T, and Z in order to show you Z in the beginning, in the middle, or in the end of the word. Let's get started. So first word, it will be Z. Z, J, J, and the last one, it will be T. Z, J, Z, J, Z, J, T, Z, J, T, Z, J, T. No meaning, okay? Z, J, T. So now Z in the beginning of the word. Let's see Z in the middle of the word. So let's use this one. So let's start with J, J, Z, Z, and finally T. T. So J, Z, T, J, Z, T, J, Z, T, J, Z, T. Okay? Let's see another word. And let's put Z in the end of the word. Start with J, T, and finally I will put Z. J, T, J, T, J, T, J, T, Z, J, T, Z, J, T, Z. Okay? Let's learn a word now starting with Z, but it has a meaning. So we have Z, Ra, A, Zara, Zara. Okay? So let's put the sound here is Z, Ra, and A. As I said, you have to see the previous videos because it will help you a lot to learn from this video, because I have already explained the sound of other letters like A, for example. I said before A, this sound doesn't exist in English, and we have to get this sound from our deep throat, like it's A. It's not A, but most foreigners, they pronounce it like A. So they say Zara, Zara, but the correct is Zara'a, Zara'a. This is the best way. You have to train like every day. You can go check yourself in the mirror and try to pronounce the letter. Like you have to get it from your deep throat. Try to get it like this. Ah, you can start saying you understand? That's I sound crazy when I do this stuff, but this is the best way to learn how to pronounce it correctly. Let's move to the other letter, okay? So I have already explained now Z. Let's see another one. It will be the most beautiful one. Actually, all the Arabic alphabets are beautiful, but that one, I don't know why I like it so much. I'm just kidding, okay? So this one is Se. Se, okay? Se. Let's see some crazy words don't have any meaning. So the first, let's see first, sa in the beginning of the word, sa in the middle of the word, sa in the end of the word, sa, okay? So the first crazy word, it will be sa, ja, and finally ta. Sa, ja, ta. Okay, let's add the sound of each one. So we have ja, and finally we have this beautiful one, ta. Sajata, sajata, sajata. Someone could ask me, why don't you change ta? Okay, why don't you remove it and add da in the end? So da, now it's a word. That word makes sense in Arabic. So sajada, it means prostrated. Like, you know, when, like in Islam, for example, when Muslims pray, we have this thing, like we prostrate to God. So sajada, sajada, okay? Let's see another word has sa in the middle. So, and this word doesn't have any meaning. Let's start with ja. So, ja, ja. Let's add sa. I will write a little bit slower, okay? Sa. And finally, we have ta. Ta. Ja, sa, ta. Again. Ja, sa, ta. Jasata, jasata. Sa in the middle of the word. Let's change. Let's write another word that has sa in the end. So, ja, ta, sa, jata, sa, jatasa, 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 jatasa. Okay? And now, let's learn another word, another letter, sorry. So, let's see. Wa, okay? Wa in the beginning, wa in the middle, or in the end of the word. Let's make three crazy words again using ja and ta. So let's start with wa. So I have wa. Then let's add ja. And finally, we can add ta. Wajata, 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 wajata. Okay? Someone would ask me to remove ta and add da in the end. So wajada, wajada, wa, ja, da, wajada, wajada. It means found, found, I found, found, okay, wajada. So he found, wajada, okay. Let's see another one. Let's start with ja, and then wa in the middle, and finally let's add ta. So it is ja, wa, ta. Jawata, 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 jawata. Okay? So wa in the middle, wa in the middle. Let's see another crazy word ends with wa. Let's start with ja, ta, wa, jata wa, ta, and finally we have ja. Sorry, actually it is the first letter. So ja, ta, wa. Sorry, my handwriting is in English and in Arabic. Actually, both of them are very bad. So this is my A, okay? This is my A, okay? It's totally different from the common and normal A. So jata wa, okay? So wa in the end of the word. Let's see another letter. So today we have learned 3 letters. Let's add another one, bonus. This one is qa, okay? I don't like to use actually Q, to use it in order to show you how we pronounce it in Arabic, because it is different, okay? But it is closer, okay? It is better than K or C. So qa, okay? Qa, it's a strong K, okay? Qa, it's a strong K. Let me think about an idea. Okay. For example, the word car in English, car. Imagine if I remove the C and I add qa in the beginning. So it will be car, car, car. It's strong C in the beginning or strong K, okay? Car. So qa, okay? I sound crazy, I know. So let's see now qa in the beginning of the word, qa in the middle of the word, and qa in the end of the word. I should start with the right side, okay? I added this point. I started with the left, but the correct is to be like this. This is the correct way, okay? But if you, whatever, write it with the way that you prefer. So qa, in the beginning, in the middle, in the end. First one is qa, ja, ta. Let's add the sound. qa, ja, ta. Qajata. Okay? Qajata. Let's write another one using qa in the middle of the word. So let's start with ja, qa, and finally ta. Jaqata, 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 jaqata. Okay? The last word today will be this crazy one. So let's start with ja, ta, And finally, let's end with qa. Qa. So, ja. Actually, I wouldn't write it like this. I would write it like this. Because I have to be on the line. Pay attention, all of them on the line, like this. So this is the correct way. So, ja, ta, qa. Ja, ta, qa. Ja, ta, qa. Ja, ta, qa. So that's guys for today. I wish you liked the video. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe in the channel. Share it if you see it's a good one. So thank you for watching and see you later. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.